Hello guys, Mike here with 2-0 Scrapping. Wanted to make a quick video on where to find gold. This gold is going to be gold plated. It's not going to be pure solid gold. Some places where you could find it are like these PCI slots here, and you just take them off with a pair of pliers and then remove all the pins. Another place you can find gold plated stuff is in printers. This is a cartridge reader. It has a few gold plated pins. This is a printer connector for old school computers. These pins here are all gold plated. Here we have, I believe this went to a CD-ROM drive, maybe? Anyways, these pins here, if you could, I don't know if you can see the reflection there, but these are all gold plated pins as well. This came off a flat screen TV. These connections here are all going to be gold plated. Here is a remote. It's a pretty big remote. These connections here where you press the buttons, these are also gold plated. Here's another example of a printer cartridge reader. Here we have a video card. These connections here for the monitor, these are going to have gold plated pins. Here are a few more right here, and I believe that's it on this one. Here we have a printer connector for the Ethernet, it looks like, or for, yeah, the Ethernet or something like that. Well, anyways, the connection in here, the pins in there are all gold plated, as well as the ones in here. This is part of a printer where you press whatever you want to print out. Here was the little monitor where you can see how many pages you're printing. Where the screen was attached here, the connections here are all gold plated, and then on the other side there's some more gold in there. You just pop this off. This is another piece here. This goes to this goes on the back side of a laptop screen. It goes attached back here. These are also gold plated here, and big piece here, and some other little dots here and there. Here's another example of a remote control. All the connections to the buttons are all gold plated on this one. You can also find gold. Well, to me, the best place to find the most gold are CPUs. There's different types. For example, all the ones on this site, these are the older types. Well, not this one or this one. These here, these are the older ceramic type of CPUs. These are the more newer ones, which they don't have as much gold content as the older ones did. You can also find gold in the memory cards for your PC, your memory card for your laptop. Another good place to find gold is in cell phones. That's why a lot of people recycle them. They have gold actually on both sides. Press the little buttons when you call mom. Those are all gold plated. The back side as well. Here's some printer memory that I found. These have gold fingers. And they're gonna have gold fingers on both sides. I'll do a video on how to remove the gold from the whole thing later on. You take off the chips, and well, I'll make a video on that later. Another very good spot to find gold is going to be in satellite receivers. These are probably the highest content gold that I've found. The back side is extremely gold plated, and the front as well. That's going to be all. Thanks, well, all the examples that I have to give on where to find gold. I've collected a pretty good amount of gold pins here. I don't know if you can see that. And these are all gold plated pins. Spilling it everywhere. Well, put them in the jar so I don't lose them. Here's some fingers that I've saved up for my next batch. I will also be making a video on how to remove the gold fingers from the board, and also how to remove the gold plated from the pins, and I will post that as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.